Hello friends, do you want to upscale the image? That way, its pixels don't get damaged. Check the resolution of this image, which is 1000 by 666 pixels. We will upscale this image with one click, while there are two ways to do this. You will see Generative Upscale in the Image drop-down menu. Here is the Firefly Upscaler set by default. While there are two more upscaling models in it, which is Topaz Gigapixel and Topaz Bloom. I am selecting Topaz Gigapixel here. Topaz Gigapixel is a partner of Adobe Photoshop as of late 2025-2026. We will scale this image up to 2x, so just have to click on the upscale. It has started scaling up, and now we will see the result. Wow, you can see that it has upscaled the image beautifully, without damaging the pixels. Rather, it has made the image clearer and sharper. This is the original image, and I have already told you its resolution. And after it was upscaled, its resolution has become 2x. There's not just upscaling here, rather, if you look closely at both images, you will see a clear difference. The image details have become much clearer, and the image has also been sharpened. Along with this, there is now another way to upscale the image. I'm turning off this image that has been upscaled. And in this original image, if you open the Camera Raw filter, there doesn't seem to be any option to upscale image here. That option will appear when we open the image directly in the Camera Raw filter. Here you have to go to the Edit drop-down menu, and you will see the Camera Raw in the Preferences. If you click, Camera Raw Preferences will open. Its keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+K, which will open the Preferences. Here we have to choose File Handling, and click on Camera Raw Preferences. And if our image is JPEG, then we have to make this change in it. Here we have to select Automatically Open All Supported JPEGs. And then we'll click OK. Now if you open any of JPEG image, it will open directly in the Camera Raw filter. We export this image as a JPEG image. And give this image any name, such as XYZ, and save it. And now, we close this image here. Now we will open that image, XYZ here. Now, this image will directly open in the Camera Raw filter, not in Photoshop. Now if you expand the detail, the Super Resolution option will appear. Checking this will start applying Super Resolution to the image. In Super Resolution, the image is enlarged to 2x. Super Resolution uses AI to quadruple image pixel counts, doubling width and height, while enhancing details. Open this image as copy. And, if you look at the resolution of this image, it has been scaled up to 2x. And zoom in, and see how beautifully it has upscaled the image. This is because it has now used AI while upscaling. And regarding upscale an image, I wanted to share these two methods with you. Image upscaling, powered by AI, is available within Photoshop. No other software is needed, and you saw that it upscaled the image beautifully. I hope you will like this video, and subscribe to the channel. And, thanks for watching.